Hi guys, welcome back to the A2 About Anything YouTube channel. Today we're playing Cooking Fever, so let's begin. Hello and welcome to Cooking Fever. My name is Michelle and I will be helping you here. Your goal is to try yourself in various cuisines and become the best chef in town. Tap to continue. Since you are new to this, let's start from a simple diner. Tap here to enter. This screen shows the basic information on your diner, but we will get to that later. Let's start playing. Okay, tap here to start. Okay, your goal is 90 coins. So let's begin. Here is your first customer. He wants a good old burger. Let's make one. Tap on the hamburger bun. Tap on the meat to place it on stove. The meat is cooking. Wait until it's evenly roasted. Put it here and give it to this guy. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? Okay. Okay, the cola. Okay. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, so while we're waiting, okay. And then we give it to this guy, collect the coins. Yeah, okay. This guy wants a hamburger. Okay, so it's ready now, finally. This guy wants a hamburger, and so does this guy. So here you go. And we're just waiting for this patty. Okay. So we have 4 more people. We can see it right here. Or now we have 3. Okay, so this guy wants a burger and a cola. So we're just gonna wait for this. Okay, it's ready now. So this woman wants the same thing. These people all look fancy, but they're coming to a fast food restaurant. Kind of funny. Okay, so we have 126 coins. And I'll just give this woman her cola. And we have this much time left for... Yeah, okay. So this is cooked, and we can give it to this guy. So we got 3 stars, so that's good. Okay, so we got an achievement. So we can claim this. We got 150. So that's great. Complete 21 levels without losing a single customer for 300. That's a lot. Okay. We'll complete every level in the fast food court with 3 stars. Okay. Yeah. Kitchen upgrades will make your game easier. Okay, upgrade. We have... should have upgraded this, but I didn't have enough money, so... yeah. So we should always upgrade this pan, because it's really important. So our goal is 100, but we got like 50 more last time. So this is going to be easy. So for the next few levels, it's going to be easy. Okay, this takes a long time, so we have to upgrade this. Okay. Cola. Okay. So we already got 50. That's already half of our goal. So we're going to get like a lot of stars. And we have 7 more people to go. Or 6 now. this guy wants a cola. Okay, we already have 1 star. We're so close for 2. But we're probably gonna get 3 because we have a lot of people left. Oh no. Okay. Okay, it's ready, yay, okay. So we already have 3 stars, and we have these 2 people left. So I'm gonna give this guy this, and take this for this guy. Yay, we're done with this level. And we leveled up. Well, we got 4 gems and 50 coins. Oh, I didn't read what she said, but you could gain experience, new experience, gives you gems and unlock. Okay, I didn't read that. Yeah. Okay, so what's this? You will receive an extra bonus every 5 levels. Okay. This game is pretty fun so far. I think it'll get more challenging as we go on. So, what's this? Yeah. Okay. Tap here to purchase a TV. You'll have this deliver. I don't want to speed it up. That's 1 gem for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here. Okay. So guys, if you liked this video so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Okay, so this woman doesn't have anything. Okay. Okay, so the pan's taking a long time. I don't think we'll get enough money to upgrade it soon. Oh, what's this? Use up a kilogram of meat. Okay, we got money. Here. And then, so this is taking a super long time. So we are probably just gonna upgrade soon. Okay, I don't think no one else wants. Oh, I forgot the patty. We're gonna lose these 2 guys. 1 at least. Probably both, actually. Okay. No. I forgot. No. We lost a customer. No. Okay. No. Okay. So that guy, this guy, we're probably gonna lose him. Or not. Here, have a drink. Do the people get madder if we don't? Here. Okay, we got that guy. Oh, but we didn't get 3 stars for this, so we lost 1 dude. Okay, yeah, whatever. So we have 577 coins. So, okay, TV's ready. Congratulations, thanks to this TV set, your customers will be waiting for 2 seconds longer for you to fulfill an order. If you upgrade, okay, I didn't read that. Should we? Oh, there's something else. Purchase one upgrade that increases customer waiting time. We get 80 coins for this, so yay. Oh, we can also get the pans now, so let's do that. Okay. I like this a lot. Okay. Oh wait, but if we upgrade the patties, then we should also upgrade this. But we don't have enough money. Or, I mean the frying pan. If we upgrade the frying pan, then we should also upgrade this. So, we're gonna wait for some time, or we can do this level again. Or this. We shall do this one. And then we can come back to that level later. Yay! Okay, we have this now. This. Oh. Okay. Okay, and we put in here. Select the sausage. Oh no, she's gonna burn it on purpose. Oops, I accidentally. That's not an accident. Now we have another sausage. Here you go. Yay. Okay. I think this level is going to be pretty good. Maybe. Okay, this is going to be, yeah, this is ready now. Here you go. Okay, this is ready now. But we don't have anyone to give it to, so I'm not going to cook anymore. Okay. So, this guy wants like, cola too. So. Okay. There. This woman wants this, and yeah. Okay, so I'm just cooking the patty right now, so this guy has to wait for a bit. Oh, forgot this. Or not. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is gonna burn. Okay. Ugh. This game is getting more interesting now. Okay. So this is our last customer. So we're done now, and we got 3 stars. Yay! Okay, we didn't lose any customers. We served 11 people. Wow. Okay, and we have 170, and we have a total of 870. So, yay. Okay, so upgrade, blah, blah, blah. Food warmer. Should I upgrade this? No. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this level, because we get this, like, the free money thing. Or the extra money every 5 levels, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so the cola's ready for this guy. Okay, so cola's ready for this guy too. So everyone wants hamburgers now. They don't care about the hot dogs. So, oh, I should have given it to this dude. Okay, finally. Okay. So, I'm gonna give this to this guy and then this woman. Oh. No, why did I do that? No, it's gonna burn. Oh no. No, we were too late. We had to pay 5 monies for that. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Oh. And this can go here. And, oh, okay. Oh, wait, what? Okay, so we're done. We got full stars. And we leveled up. And this time we got 200 coins. So, yay. And we got this bonus. And that's 200. So we have 1,495 now. We can upgrade a lot of things. Oh, we have a task completed. Burn 1 dish. Oh, okay, that's good, I guess. But we only got 30 coins. Okay. The bad thing is that when we burn it, or when we complete a task, we can't redo it. So, like, I can't, like, get more money by burning a dish. But the good thing is that when I burned the dish, I lost 5 coins. And then when I completed that task, I got 30. So, it's 25 coins in profit. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna upgrade. We have 1,525 now, so that's a lot. I'm gonna upgrade this burger fry pan. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do some math. So this is 600, and we have to. So this is 1,000, and then this is. So we need 500 or it's 475 more to upgrade both of all 4 of those. We can either do that, or we can upgrade this, the tabletop, and the grill pan. Wait, what? Wait, what? Where's the hamburger grill pan? Wait, what? Oh, it's right here. Okay, upgrade. And then... Wait, wrong thing. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, this is burger and this is hamburger. It's the same thing, though. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh. Money. Okay, so we can upgrade this. And we don't have any more money to upgrade. Okay, so I'm gonna do level 6 now. So 160. We have French fries. Can I make French fries? No, I can't. Okay. Here you go. Hot dog. Oh no. Eh, 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 eh. Okay. So the hot dog's not ready yet. So okay, now it's ready. Oh, more people want hot dogs now? That's so mean. I think that guy's actually a chef or something. Okay, oh no, these are gonna burn. We must hurry. Okay, here, and here, and here. Okay. A lot of people want cola, so we should upgrade the cola. Okay, so here, 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 and this, and here. And I'm going to take this, and here, and this, and this. Oh, we didn't need to do that, because we're done. Okay, so we got 220 from earnings, and then 554 from tips. We earned 274 in total, and the current balance is 569. So maybe we can upgrade something. Yeah, we should upgrade this. Oh wait, we don't have enough. Come on. Okay, I think I'm gonna redo level 3 and then get money for it. And then we will... Okay. Okay. In this level, we didn't get the hot dogs yet, so there's really no point making the hot dogs. So, I'm not gonna make them. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Okay. How do you calculate 1 gallon and stuff in this game? I don't know. Okay, so we have 1 star now. Our goal is to not only get 2 stars, 3 stars. 3 stars. Not only to get 3 stars, but also get more money, and we're already doing that. So, we have 3 more customers, 2 now. Or we didn't serve this guy yet, so now it's 2. Okay, so here you go. Here you go. We have 1 more person. Okay, this dude wants the cola too. Okay, finally. Okay, so we got 3 stars. We have 205. And so we can upgrade the cola now. Okay. So prepare as much food in advance, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so where is... Oh, the cola is the first one. It's right here too. Okay, so upgrade. Oh, next time it's gems. So, like, we're not going to do that. That's like, no. So it looks like this now. It looks kind of weird. That weird pattern. I think that's supposed to be like a splashing thing. Okay, so 7, 180. We've passed that before. So yeah, it looks like this. Here you go. And here you go. And oh my gosh. Okay, here you go. And here you go. Okay, we got something. Claim. Okay. Okay, here you go, and here you go, and here you go, and here you go, and here you go. That's a lot of clicking in this game. Okay, so I'm gonna give this to this dude, this woman. Okay, so this guy wants this, and yeah. There are a lot of old people in this game. Oh wait, I forgot to give these people this. If you have coins here, the people don't come. But if you have them, oh no, this can't burn. But if you take them out, it'll stop burning. Or they'll start coming, I mean. Okay, so these dudes both want this. But I'll give it this guy, because he came first. Okay, so. Yay, oh no, we only got 2 stars though. So. Oh, never mind. Oh, I forgot to collect those. Hehe. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna stop the video right here. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.